we're going to open this box, and then later we'll make the house. So, after then don't use that. So, after then we'll hold this, so I will not hold the box.
I'm going to open the box, guys. And please, guys, click the subscribe button here. Yes. And please click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aming mga video.
Click the bell button for more videos, for more fun.
Guys, we're going to open this. Okay. Let's open. See ya, look at it.
It looks like a knife.
And kids, careful to use the scissor because it's
dangerous for kids.
kids. Yes.
It's dangerous for kids, only grown-ups. And then we'll hold the scissor. This is my best friend, Jacob.
Wala na si Jake. Okay, now. See ya, open it. Open. Yeah. Ay, meron pa pala siya dito sa gilid. Just wait.
Too funny, Ate Nene. Ate
Yes.
Nene,
And we're going to open it. Wow, what is this?
Wow. Look at this daddy collection. It's so
Get
scary.
it.
Yeah.
Be careful.
Wait.
Oh no, what is, oh. It's open.
It's already open. Why is it not closed?
I don't know, let's put here the box.
Wait.
Okay, this is the
This
plastic.
is the box. Ate Nene.
Here, let's cut it.
Ate Nene.
What? No, guys.
Ate
Yeah.
Nene.
Open it.
Ate Nene. Ate Nene.
Yeah, hold it. Oh no, it's so funny. Look at her face.
He's stand up by himself.
Yeah.
Ate Nene, look at this one.
Yeah,
Ate
so
Nene.
strong.
Ate
Why?
Nene, look at this one.
No, be careful, it's going to broke.
Is that the collection?
Yes, it's gonna be broke.
Okay. How do that?
What is this? Let's fix it first.
Okay.
It's here? Let's see. Oh no, ay dito siya sa... Parang baligtad siya. No? Ay, tama na. Okay.
Ate Nene.
Wait.
Ate
It's not
Nene.
very... Yeah! Okay guys, it's ready. Look at this.
Ate
Let's put
Nene.
here the
Which
plastic and the scissor there. What? What's his name? What's the name?
His name Sam.
What?
His name Sam.
Ito anong pangalan nito? You know what this from? The character is from Dragon Balls.
His name is Dragon Ball.
No. I don't know what his name. Look at this. Wiggly, wiggly, wiggly. But let's put here. Let's fix the box first.
Yeah, too dangerous.
It's not dangerous. Yes, it's here. Let's put here. Guys, look. It's so funny. What? It's gonna be broke. Let's see.
No,
Oh, look at this.
look at this flash.
I'm wrong. No, it's not. I'm wrong. I'm not wrong.
Look at this head.
And look at this, guys. This is the butterfly. See what is this?
It's a butterfly, but the wall here.
Yes. We're going to
Open it with the scissors. Cut, 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 cut.
yes, and you're going to put here in the wall later. We're going to put this in the wall. Come on, Sia, let's put in the wall. Where's my scissors? Okay. Guys, let's get the scissors again. Why?
Look at this crack.
Sia, let's open it.
Look at this crack.
Oh no. What is that?
No, it's just a toy
Sia,
crack.
look, get the butterfly.
Yes, yes,
Wow, it's so cute. What's the... Oops, careful. I'm going to get it. Let's there. Oh no. This guys, what color of that Sia?
This is her wings. Her wings is yellow, is orange, and her base, and her base, and her.
Now guys, I'm going
And
to
this
get
one
this
and
first,
the-
and
this
let's flash
is
this.
blue.
And let's put here in the box. So many. Sia, let's count the butterfly. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wait, I
We have
don't-
4 butterflies.
Wait, I don't count yet.
Okay, count it.
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4. 4 butterflies.
Let's go put it on the wall.
Come on, let's go, guys.
I will get the red and the
What?
blue.
But let's go put in the wall, guys. Come on. Let's go.
Let's go put it there.
Let's go put. No, not there's here.
Okay.
Let's put here.
They get sticky.
Let's put. I'm going to put mine here. It's so cute. No, you want to put it there? Okay. Mine is here down. Yeah. Guys, it's all done. It's 4 butterflies.
Wait,
Yes.
that's the one.
Let's count it again. 1.
Wait, I don't count.
Okay, count. 1.
Wait, it's the 1 and the 2 and the 3.
Oh no! Wait, I'm going to fix it.
Push it.
Oh, no.
Okay, Guys, guys, this
This one butterfly
Look.
don't need. Look, his thing is
it's not sticky. Yes, it's all done.
I got it.
Oh no!
This one and this one and this one is not built down.
Let's get the double-sided tape. The butterflies here, but the other one, it's not so sticky. No.
Yeah, so those is not built down at all because they're sticking.
No, yes. Okay, let's put here in the box. Let's put in the trash can later. Because we don't have double-sided tape. Yes. Guys, we all done.
We're all done
Yes.
opening. Now let's later treat the house. So,
And my name is Ate Yesha.
and I name is Sia.
Bye-bye, guys. Wait. Don't forget to click
click
the
the bell
subscribe button.
Button, and this one have a crack. It's just a drawing.
Yes. And please like and
To-
share
And
and
sh-
click the notification bell.
so this one butterfly not sticking. So this one butterfly is sticking.
Yes. Let's go. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye, guys.